After a storm, finding a trusted roofing contractor in Colorado is essential. Let's look at how to verify your pro before you sign anything. When hail or wind hits, the pressure to repair your roof can be overwhelming. Take a moment to ensure you're making a safe choice. It can feel like everyone suddenly becomes a roofing expert after a storm. Resist the urge to rush into a contract immediately. Don't feel pressured to hire the first person who knocks on your door. Due diligence is your best protection. Follow these simple principles. Search for local experts, verify their standing, and always ask clear questions before agreeing to work. The Colorado Roofing Association warns, never sign a contract that lacks clear pricing. A blank contract is a major red flag. Ensure your agreement includes the full scope of work, material types, total costs, and specific start and end dates. Always verify that the contractor has active insurance, clear warranty information, and a fair cancellation policy in writing. Verification is easier than you think. Use reputable industry resources to confirm that the company is who they say they are. The Colorado Roofing Association Member Search is a powerful tool to look up contractors who are officially listed and accountable. Check for specialized certifications and active standing within industry associations like the CRA. Look for a real local presence. Reputable contractors, like Blue Spruce, list their specific location, contact info, and credentials publicly. A roof is a major investment. Expect professionalism in every aspect, from team communication to documentation of the work. A good contractor will carefully document what they see. They don't guess. They inspect and provide clear evidence of damage. A professional will walk you through clear next steps and keep the lines of communication open throughout the project. By taking these steps, you protect your home and ensure that your roofing project is handled by a true professional. If you suspect hail or wind damage, start with a proper, professional inspection to understand exactly what your roof needs. Contact Blue Spruce Construction Group today. We are a proud CRA member, ready to provide clear, honest help with your exterior restoration.